G'day guys, and welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to do all my videos in English from now, and sorry for my accent and sorry for my grammar sometimes. I have been the last 12 months in Exmouth and the season is over now, and I still can't believe what's happened the last year. Super crazy. I built my whole new life here in Australia and I'm super stoked, super frothing what's going on in my life. And yeah, I found my two dream jobs actually. Diving with Dive Ningaloo as a dive master, be in the ocean, be on the boat every single day literally. And my second job as a bartender and froth is super nice, especially like for socializing. And after 1 year, I know the whole town because it's so small and But the season is over now in Exmouth and everyone is leaving because summer is coming. Summer is like 50 degrees plus, flies everywhere, it's getting super hot. And honestly, for me as well, I have to see something different. My last holiday is 10 months ago and I have so many cool plans for the next couple months. I will fly to Indonesia tomorrow and yeah, I'm super excited, super stoked. I'm super keen for new adventures and I will film a little bit more, make some YouTube videos because the last 10 months I did nothing. I just enjoy my life here and yeah, try to get it in my brain what's happened. But yeah, I wanna stop talking and we see us at the airport tomorrow morning. You! Are you excited? Oh, you're the best. Time to say goodbye. I'm in Perth now and saying goodbye is always so emotional, especially after 1 year when you spend the whole time with the same people. And yeah, just amazing people. I love these girls and I'm super keen to see all of them next year, February. And yeah, I'm in Perth now and I'm super hungry. And yeah, I will get some food and maybe a last Australian beer, probably Cooper's, it's my favorite. And in 2 hours, it's my fly going to to Bali. I'm super keen, I've never been to Indonesia. I made it guys, I'm finally in my hostel. It's 2 AM, I'm super tired and it was a little bit of a mission and it's so crazy freaking hot here. I was the last 12 months in Exmouth, but here it's just like a different heat. It's just like the humidity. I hope that's the right word. And the hostel is super cool. It's straight in Denpasar. And this dude, I guess he's the owner because he's the only person here. It's just him and me. There's just that room and then another one, I guess. And yeah, it's 2 AM and still open. Checked in, he gave me water, the Wi-Fi, password and everything. He's just a bloody legend. And now it's time for a big nap, a big sleep. I will have the biggest sleep in tomorrow in my whole life. My plans for tomorrow is just get a SIM card, maybe go to the hairdresser because my hair looks super weird and my friends from Exmouth, we didn't make it last week. And yeah, just like walk around, have a look, organize some stuff because I will be here the next 2 months. Not here, but in Indo. Super keen. Super excited and super tired. See you tomorrow, guys. Good morning. I slept pretty good and I'm still a little bit on another level. Still a little bit tired, but that's alright because I got a very long day yesterday. And for me, I need food. I need some brekkie now and get some water because you can't drink the tap water here in Indonesia. That's the reason I try to go to the supermarket and get some brekkie, get a coffee, get a water, and yeah, then I just walk around, have a look, and yeah, I'm super excited how Indonesia looks like. Never been, and I just see a little bit over here, got like a small view, and it's actually pretty cool, like pretty much Southeast Asia. That's the view from the balcony. Actually pretty cool. Look at the buildings, or look at like the structures. You like it, but pretty cloudy and a little bit foggy over there. I got a SIM card now, and that was super complicated, but the people here, they're so super friendly, and at the shop they help me with everything so good. I go back to the hostel now and then straight to Kuta Beach because I have to change some money, and I'm straight in Denpasar. I'm the only tall white European dude. It's pretty cool. Here's no tourists. I haven't seen one tourist today at all. That's my hostel. G'day, mate. I asked this guy here at the hostel where's the best place to change money, and he said yeah, Kuta Beach. And it's super crazy because he said yeah, just jump on my scooter, I can drive you there. It's around about like 20 minutes drive, and my next 3 days are in Kuta Beach as well. That's the reason I'm very keen to visit it, have a look how it looks. And yeah, I'm super starving as well. I need some food in my belly and just explore. Let's go to Kuta Beach. I'm in Kuta now, and it was like the funniest ride in my whole life. But I'm still alive. That's pretty good. And now I'm looking for food. I'm starving. Oh my god, lunch is ready. Ew. That was super yummy. I got like a green curry chicken. So good and so cheap. And now I go back to the beach and wanna explore a little bit more from Kuta. In the hostel now, and it was such a nice day. I love Bali, and the first impressions are just amazing, and it's so different to Australia, especially where I've been in Exmouth, because Exmouth is literally just a small village. There's nothing going on, and then straight from 1 year Exmouth to Denpasar, where it's pretty hectic. And I stay in the center of Denpasar. That's so cool because there's no tourists and stuff like that. And I walked a little bit home to my hotel, to my hostel here. And yeah, I was the only European, how I said before. It's so cool because it's such, you can see how the local live here. But yeah, it's such amazing, nice experience. I love Indo so far. It's just my first day. And yeah, here we have a small balcony, and that's the view, and the sky looks crazy. I like it. Then we got a chill area on here, few rooms on each side, and I guess there's another story upstairs, and there's my room. Here we got some toilets and showers, just like a sink to wash my face every 15 minutes. And then we got the room in here, and yeah, I go straight to my bed now, and we will see us tomorrow. What's up guys? Wonderful good morning. I got all my stuff together, and I recognize I got so heaps shit. I got my free dive fins, I got my backpack, my other backpack. In this little bag is my wetsuit, mask and snorkel. Then I got like camera equipment, jackets. It's hectic. I always have too much stuff. And I move hostels now. I go to Kuta and a very, very good recommended hostel. I hope it's pretty nice. They have a pool, and for the next 2 days I just wanna chill, because in 3 days I go on a big adventure. I'm so excited for that, but I will let you know what that is in the next video, I guess. I call a taxi and let's go on the road. Good morning, guys. I rent a bike today and I just pick up a friend from her hostel over there. Just waiting for her, and then we will go to Uluwatu today. I hope I survive, especially with all this Bali traffic. It's pretty crazy, but I'm super excited, and yeah, I know how to ride this bad boy, and I'm super keen, and we will see us on the road.
Yeah, I packed a beach bag.
Nice. We are in Uluwatu at the moment, on the beach, and especially behind this rock there's thousands of people. It's super packed, and especially when you spent the last 12 months in Western Australia, it's so annoying when 1,000 people here. I will put the drone up in a second and I will show you.
Oh God! Al carando! Rico! Oh! Oh! What the hell? Oh God!
Alrighty, I made it back to my hostel. I dropped off Freya. It was such an amazing day, and yeah, I'm glad that I survived. Like, especially in the night here is super crazy to drive. It's probably pretty dark with the GoPro now, but the battery from my Sony is dead. That's the reason I will end this video for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Woo!